Hey guys, good morning and welcome back again to my channel. If you see me for the first time, my name is Ruth, and in today's video I'll be preparing a typical Nigerian pepper soup. Yes, I said soup. It's typical Nigerian pepper soup. And tomorrow is my birthday, so I want to host my family members after church because tomorrow is a working day and I don't think most of them will be available tomorrow. So that's just it. I don't know how pimple is just doing me, a whole birthday girl like me, a whole mommy Jaden like me. Look at pimple everywhere. So let's get right into the video. So guys, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to support your girl and also watch my videos. If you've watched to this point, so please subscribe to my channel, like, share and turn that bell on to get notified anytime I post a new video. To show you guys the basic ingredients, nothing too much, just a basic ingredients on a typical pepper soup. First on the table is crayfish, and I have meat, I have onions, and I have dry pepper. I forgot to buy fresh pepper, so I'm using dry pepper also. Then basically, this is the native spice here. Some of the native spice. Then I have Master Chef goat meat pepper soup spice here, seasoning goat meat, and I have salt, goat meat, and I have salt, and I also have Maggi cubes. So these are the ingredients I'll be using for this pepper soup. Yeah, this pepper soup. So these are the ingredients I have. Just stick around and watch me prepare it. I have to put the meat. This is the meat. Then onion. I like to add onions first before I put it on the fire. I've added my onions. A little bit of crayfish. So I still have something left. Let's add water. Salt. Assistant chef is not making noise, so I'll add pepper. Cover it so that it will boil. So by now your house my house really sends it like everywhere goat meat, so it's already making noise. Let's put it down and see. So everything always make sure you test to see if the ingredients you put is okay for it. Added crayfish, seasoning, and the rest. The first one I did was for the meat to like boil between into the meat. So this one I just apply. So I have to cover and let it boil. To add the local spice. Just added the goat meat. Ingredients for this pepper soup is the scent leaf. So this is the last ingredient, and the aroma. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and turn that bell on, and I will see you in my next video.